Hello everyone, this is group presentation G2181 Propulsive Communication. So for this research, our title page is Good Game Well Played, the Effectiveness of MOBA as a Substitute for Online PE Classes. Before that, let me introduce myself. I am Mr. Cabillas. I am the leader of this group, and this is my member. These are my member, Rejam Saleh, Melvin Padao, John Patrick Mandala, and lastly, Mark Anthony Diaz. So, for our subject of the study, the subject of the study are college students under the age range 17 to 20 years old. We are set to find out if MOBA can indeed be effective substitute for PE classes. College students, on the other hand, were deemed as a perfect candidate as a subject of this study since PE subjects offered in college are more diverse and flexible compared to the high school and elementary curriculum. So our next presenter is Rejam Saleh.
Rationally, as a rapidly evolving technological application and games, the instructors and those who create the educational policy are being interested in introducing an innovative tool such as video games and massive multiple player online games. Backlist 2014 and Gomez 2014. In recent years, digital or web-based games have increasingly supported learning. According to Hayes and Silberman 2017, suggests that one of the problems with traditional PE is that not all students are motivated by sports and activity instructions. Students of all ages maybe prefer extra game play because it is threatening and builds on their native gaming experience.
So thank you, Mr. Raymond Saleh. And next presenter is...
So good morning, sir. My name is Melvin Dipado Jr. And here is the statement of the problem where the study aims to determine the effectiveness of multiplayer online battle arena as a substitute of PE during classes. So specifically, the study sought to answer the following question. 1. What are the demographic profile of students in terms of frequency of playing online games and average time span of playing? 2. How does MOBA effective as a substitute for online PE in terms of class participation, learning efficiency, student enjoyment? Number 3. Is there a significant relationship between making MOBA or a multiplayer online battle arena as a substitute to PE during class and academic performance of students in the other subject? So the next presenter is Mitch.
Thank you, Mr. Padao. So the statement of the hypothesis is this study shall test the hypothesis that there is no significant relationship between making MOBA or multiplayer online battle arena as a substitute to PE during classes and academic performance of the students in other subjects. So after this presentation, our next presenter is Mark Anthony Diaz. Sorry about that. So the significance of the study and the significance of the study. Under covering this type of study, the effectiveness of MOBA as a substitute to PE during classes will allow us, the individuals, to seek more in particular ways. For us students, as we know that most of the students in this generation are more exposed on online games, mobile games, and it also helps the teacher knows in relation with the students and the teachers. They also know that most of the students are in our generation. Teachers will get in a good idea to support the technological ways to develop a way of learning. And for parents, it is a good idea for us to protect ourselves from any harm for physical injuries, unlike online classes. I mean online games, you're only holding a phone. So it is also a good thing for our parents to secure their safety for their children. So sorry about my mistake. And our next presenter is Mark Anthony Jardias.
So, in scope and limitation of the study, this study focuses on the effect of multiplayer online battle arena, also known as MOBA, as a substitute of physical education. In the data collection will be conducted to 15 random students in University of Mindanao, Davao City, since year 2020 and 2021, who will represent the population. This study helped us to know if MOBA is effective in substituting the PE. Each of the respondents is given the same question to answer. The result of this study will show us the effectiveness of MOBA in RPE and what is the relevance of the study and how or what is the outcome of the study. So here you will know what is where our topic is focused and who is involved and when and where it happen.
It is also a good idea for our scope to learn where is the limitation of our study and where is the pros and cons. So thank you, Mr. Jardias. So for our next presenter is he is John Patrick's Mandala. So sorry for errors. So the definition of terms. So go John Patrick Mandala. Hello, John Patrick Mandala. Are you still there?
Hello. Hello.
So since we have error of our
Hello.
So sorry for the interruption and connection loss. So since John Patrick Mandala have low internet connection, so Mr. John Patrick Bandala, are you still there?
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Ako.
So,
Okay.
John Patrick Mandala, definition of terms.
Okay. Hello, sir. I'm John Patrick M. Bandala, and these are the definition of terms. Online game is a video game that is either partially or primarily played through the internet or any other computer network available. It is different to the some computer games because you can't access to played online games without internet connection. And online class. Second is online class. Is a course conducted over the internet. They are generally conducted through a learning management system in which students can view their course syllabus and academic progress, as well as communicate with fellow students and their course instructor.
Wait, sorry.
Third is PE. It is a school subject in which students do physical exercise or take part in physical games and sports. Fourth is student. Is a primary person enrolled in a school or other educational institution and who is under learning with goals of acquiring knowledge, developing professions, and achieve easy employment at a particular field.
So that is our last presentation. So thank you, sir. Thank you everyone for taking our time for this presentation. And I would like to affirm my fellow members, Hayden Sale, Melvin Padao, John Patrick Bandala, and lastly Mark Anthony Diaz. Thank you very so much for listening to us, and also thank you for your presentation. So thank you, sir, and I hope you would grade us for well. So thank you, sir.